All right, welcome to a case study. So I wanted to do the daily recap and everything as well today, and then I figured, you know what? I'm gonna cover just the trade, the short on EU, and I will cover price action in tomorrow's forecast, which is because otherwise I'll just be, yeah, I don't see the need of it to do it right now. I don't want to do it right now. It's super nice weather, so I'm going outside. So let's just cover the short on EU, which is a quite nice short. And I marked it out. I marked this out, I think, I don't know when I marked out this area, but that was prior to the short. I said, first I said I didn't want to short here, but then I was like, wait, hold up. We got this strong impulse down. So that's where we start. That's where let me hold up. Let me clean it up first. It's distracting me. So that's the first idea. Do we really want to that was the first idea. Do we really want a long after such strong bearish momentum? Yes, we know that price has took a lot of liquidity, took out these lows, but we also know that there's more. There's lower areas. Though that doesn't mean like you should trade it because we go for high probability setups only. But if you look at this is merely a liquidity grab. This is just tap. If we go to the low time frame, I don't know what this was. Oh wait, this is not from importance. So actually liquidity is not this one, and I was quite wrong there. This is the liquidity. Also, if you pull it over here, you can see this is how the trend line goes like this. So yeah. All right, so I was wrong there. That's one thing. And actually, this inducement, so this break to the downside, taking out this low was actually the first low in the first inducement, because this was the low that led to that high. Now we take that second low and we come into this area over here. But for the short, so let's break it down. We got this area. Oh, let's show it on the 15-minute. We got that liquidity grab. We react from this 50-minute or 5-minute fair value gap. And we can see we have a high, a low, lower high, a lower low. Price comes up, builds up liquidity over here. Then we have Asia highs just below that. Over here. Asia high. And now that we have this marked on right, and now it makes sense because now we got a low, high, or we got this kind of trend line thingy going on. I don't know, it just looks better from this. Let me see. See, from here you don't have anything. You just have this one. Well, from this one you have one, and then you mark on, pull it from the second one, and you get like a clean trend line. You can also see that over here you get that rejection. So come below that trend line, we reject here. Come below, and we reject from there. So we want to use that, but essentially we got that inducement, and then we have previous daily lows here. We have the momentum on our side. I didn't take this trade, by the way. I was not at the charts. I'm just like thinking out loud. So liquidity taken. We have this 50-minute supply zone over here. Just texting me. 50-minute supply. And actually, you could also take it from this low, but then you already got that deep retracement. Hold up. Then it would be like this. I prefer this one because if you go to the 5-minute, you can clearly see this was the last low that took that high. You can also see that this is the sell to buy move, and then this is the buy to sell move that took this liquidity over here. So I take it from here. Whether you do that or not, it's up to you. We don't reach the 50%. We don't need to reach the 50%. Why not? Because we got this. Got our early sellers over here. Early. Then we tap into this POI as well. So additional confluence. And then if we zoom in, we can see that we got the 5-minute market shift over here. Momentum shift, structure, break structure. And then this is your entry zone, entry fib thingy. And with the breathing room, we get 10, 11, 11, so 1. Seems like it's quite a big stop. Oh, that's all right. It's perfect. 5.5, so 6 pips. And you target these lows. There you go, 1 to 5. Clean trade. Don't take partials before that. You could. Why? Well, we know that we took this low. If we zoom out, we know that we took this low. So you could say like, okay, this is all fake. And you get like a little trend line over here. So that's actually not fair. No, that's not trend line. You got this going on. And we are below old lows. So saying that, you could say that, okay, price comes below here. And this just might be a liquidity buildup. But looking at this momentum, I don't see price going long from here. Although I was looking at those longs, but no. Now looking at it, seems not to be a good idea. And then this is where you can maybe say, okay, over here. And then, but you don't want to, I wanted to go from 1 to 4 because it's not my liquidity point. This will be my liquidity point. So at least between this area and this area, I would take partials and then you let the rest run. Where do we let the rest run to? That's a good question. Good question. I would leave it. Yeah, I would leave it to here. Next low. One thing though, now we took this low, we might actually see price come up. But this would be your next target then. Or you take at 1 to 5. And then you either take over here another partial, but that's quite close. That's only 0.5. So maybe 1 to 10. So the first partial you take at a liquidity point this time, and in this case, and the next one you take at 1 to 10. That's a short. Now looking at the candles, what can we see? What can we read from the candles? Very clear price action. Come above. First of all, this break is with wicks, and then we get those wicks here slowing down, coming into this 1 hour or 50-minute. I don't know why I marked this one on. This 50-minute POI. Very clean, very straightforward. Early sellers, slow down. Now 1 hour wise, what can we see? Because we got a couple candles going on there. Perfect. We can see that wick. And actually, again, everything closes below that liquidity. I love this. This is so nice. This is so clean. Beautiful trade. Short. 4 hour wise, I don't know, because that's an entire session, but same story here. Not like a really strong candle. Although the close is strong to the upside, it's not a big candle. And it's inside Asia still. Yep. Yep. Yeah, that's it. That's it for the short. Hope it makes sense. Peace out. There it is.